Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi. Today I'll be explaining why our company Rovest should choose exporting and joint venture as our foreign market entry strategies. So now let's start with the exporting. Exporting means we produce our own product in Malaysia and sell it to the consumer in the other countries. It's one of the simple and the safest ways to enter the global market. So the main reason why we choose this method is because it has a low cost and low risk. And also our product Rovest is a lightweight and compact, which makes it very easy to ship overseas. So I want to highlight a little bit about their benefits. It will reaching more customers worldwide, keeping more control of our product quality and not needing to set up on a physical store in every country. For example, we can sell our product into the platform such as Shopee Global or Amazon, targeting the countries like Singapore, Australia, Japan, Switzerland, where the outdoor activities are very popular. So now, let's look at the second method, joint venture. A joint venture means we partner with a local company in another country and work together to sell our product. So we choose this method because we entering a foreign market alone can be risky and expensive. With a joint venture, we get a local experience, connections, and share costs together. So one of the main benefits our local partner already understand is the culture, language, and the customer needs. For example, if we enter the South Korean market, we can team up with a local outdoor retailer to promote and sell our product into the stores and website. So in conclusion, exporting helps us expand in a simple and cost-effective way, while joint venture help us grow in a more complex market with a local support. So these two methods give Rovest a strong and smart way to go global. Thank you.
Why engage in FDI? To support international expansion, companies pursue FDI to gain cost advantage, access new markets, and overcome political constraints. First one is supply factor production cost. For example, companies invest abroad to reduce manufacturing or operational costs. The benefits is to lower labor and material costs, increase profit and margin. For example, a Malaysian electronic firm build a plant in Thailand to benefit from cheaper skilled labor. Number two is marketing of product. Locating production closer to key markets can improve breeding response time and customer reach. The purpose is to gain a better adapt to product to local preference and boost sale. For example, a Malaysian food brand building a plant in Indonesia to serve local taste and improve freshness. Number three is demand factor, market condition. FDI allow companies to tap into growing or underserved market with high demand potential. It expands customer base and increase revenue. For example, a Malaysian food brand enter Indian to meet demand for halal certificate snack.
How many snacks? So the next here is second, and the second here is access to market. So being physically present in a foreign country improve access to regional or global market. So the purpose here is to bypass export barriers and improve distribution efficiency. For example, a Malaysian car part supplier sets up operation in Thailand to enter the Asian market. And the next one is political factors, which has two also, which is government incentive and government incentive. And yes, also one government incentive also. So the explanation here is host countries may offer tax break, grants or infrastructure support to attract FDI. So benefit here is to reduce initial investment cost and boost return on investment. For example, in Indonesia offers incentive in special economic zones to foreign countries. So from the government countries, many countries offer tax thus tax breaks, land, or subsidies to attract foreign investor. So the purpose here is to reduce startup and operational costs. For example, Vietnam offers tax holidays for tech companies setting up in its high-tech parts. Alright, that's all.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Arizakwan bin Muhammad Zafran. So now I will explain chapter number 6, Roman number 2, which is FDI. So for the first one is vertical FDI for backward. So what is backward vertical FDI? So this involves investing in an industry abroad that supply input to the firm's domestic production process. So for example, a car manufacturer investing in a foreign country to produce car part or raw material. So for the second one is forward vertical FDI. So this occurs when a firm invests in an industry abroad that use or sells the firm's product. So for instance, a clothing manufacturer investing in retail outlet overseas to sell its clothes. So number 2 is horizontal FDI. So horizontal FDI happen when a firm invests in the same industry that abroad as operate in domestically. So the goal is often access a new market or reduce cost. So for example, a beverage company setting up a bottle plant in another country to produce and sells the same product. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So there's two main strategies, which is number 1, standardization and adaptation. Standardization strategy, which is the definition of it, is a single marketing strategies is used for all international market with minimal changes, which is their disadvantages which is represent lower cost of production and marketing, a strong and consistent brand identity, easier to manage and control operation, which is while the disadvantages which is may not meet local customer preference, a cultural differences can be affect product acceptance. We'll go to adaptation strategy. Adaptation strategy, which is the definition of adaptation strategy, which is modifying marketing strategies, product or communication to suit the local market, which is the advantages is better alignment with local needs and preference. It also increases customer satisfaction and sales potential. The disadvantages is higher cost and customization and research, which is a more complex operation and supply chains. Let's choose the most suitable strategy for our foldable chair backpack from Rovest, which is the adaptation is the most suitable strategy for Rovest because the different country have a unique preference for design, comfort and lifestyle in use. For example, camping culture in Europe and Asia is the difference, which is represent the local climates and outdoor activities influence demand, and also language and cultural customization can improve marketing communication. So by adapting the product features and marketing approach, Rovest can better attract and serve global customers, leading to increased brand loyalty and long-term success. Thank you.